If you've been following my Divi videos, you know about the semi-fictitious free Divi Design School. I'm building it to show you how to use the awesome tools that come with the Divi theme, all to make your life easier and your website come together faster and better than you ever thought you could. Today, you'll see how to create global modules in Divi Builder as we build a site-wide footer module. Create it once and automatically apply it or exclude it on however many pages you want. Stay to the end to learn how to include simple one-click designs to add flair and fun to your website. Let's go. Okay, so let's build the global site footer. And we're going to go over here to Divi, Theme Builder. This is the one we want, Add Global Footer. Build global footer, add row, 2 column, I'll add text to this side. So I'm going to paste in our mission statement. We'll apply an H2 tag, and then we'll see how that looks. And over on this side, I will put in a call to action module. I'll type in have questions, and then I'll paste in my copy. And I will, of course, add a link to the contact page. Page link, contact. Save. And the same window is fine, but let's change the background color. I don't want blue. I'll just make it white. Whoops, I better darken that text. And now we'll design the button design, yes. I think I'll make the text color white and the background, oh, what are my button colors? Well, I'll make it red. And I like to add a little shadow on the button. Yeah. And save. Ooh, okay, I do not like that top spacing. The two should line up, so let's fix that. Spacing, it is 0 margin top and 0 padding. Much better. Okay, now let's put a little flare design at the bottom of this section. Let's go with something interesting. This is the one-click design solution here for the border. I think it's actually a divider. Yes, it's a divider. And I think I will pick this one. Oh, I noticed something there. Background is cutting off the top curve there, so I'm going to take the background off of the have questions section, just make it transparent. And let's add a new row. I'll add a text module so I can put in the copyright on this left side. Now you need to click on the text tab because we're going to put in a little piece of code. It's an ampersand, copy, semicolon. And in the visual mode, that will turn into the copyright symbol. Divi Design School. All rights reserved. There you go. Okay, so I really want the copyright statement to fit down here within the border, the black part of the border. So let's work on that. There we go, getting closer. So let's make this type white, since it's going to go over the black. Before I adjust the text module, I want to see if I want to see what it's like if I make these curves taller. I know I'm getting a little fussy and playing around a touch. Save. Now let's go over to the copyright text module and work on that spacing. 0 bottom margin, 0 bottom padding. Much better. Save, and let's go to the right side and add our social media follows. So I will add YouTube and Instagram. I'm going to reorder them just a little bit, and I can add the links later, but they go right here. Just go and make sure you have the right link, or at least test it to make sure that they are right. I usually just go there and copy and paste them. And, oh, we need to center align those. Go right back in to go to Design tab, Alignment, Center. Super simple. I like that. Save. Exit. So if you want this global footer to go across your entire site, you can just leave it like this. If you want to exclude it and use a different one on other pages, say for instance your blog or blog posts, you would need to add a new template and choose which pages or posts you want to use this one for. Create template, and this one is automatically added. So if you click on here, you can disable global, and then you can go in there and edit it. Remove it completely and add a new custom footer, build a custom footer, and override the pages. If you're interested in learning more about using the Divi theme, let me know in the comments if there's anything you would like for me to demonstrate or address, and I'd be happy to do that. So let's refresh this page and check out the footer. Should have made it orange. And that will be global across all pages. I don't have the About page done yet, but you can see that it will be. And on the contact page, there you go. Thank you for your time. God bless.